And today we are going to the Starfield Library in COEX Mall in Seoul, Korea. So it's very popular with the younger generation, I think. So this is like a huge library, and it's popular. It's famous for its design, and I'm excited to explore this place. Again, nothing has changed. The weather is still cold, and it's sunny. It's sunny. The sun is out, but yeah, you still feel cold. So yeah, we will go to the mall now, and we will show you how it looks in a bit. We are at the subway station, and we have to take line 9. We are in COEX Starfield Mall. Starfield Mall. Going for the famous library. I see it! Hey! Excitement! That's it. Okay. You can't read a book here. It's more like a bookstore. I don't think it's a library, it's a bookstore. There are magazines here.
Out the way.
Vogue. Come. Oh, we came here perfect for the Christmas decoration. Look at that. Oh, nice. Wow. Even the lights are lit up like this now. Christmas, giant Christmas tree. Nice. The Starbucks. There's this one. Everybody should come here. Look at this wall. Lots of books. I wonder how to clean that. How do they clean that? Nice. Hi, we are in the Starfield Library, and it's all decked out for Christmas. Look how pretty it looks. And since you're so tired, can you give me one of the books from the top shelf, please? No. Please. So we are going to the Songpa Trail, Hangnam. Enjoy some nature in Seoul. So you can rent cycles, or you can just walk on the railway path. See, that's railway, and this is for people who likes to walk. And that's the Han River, the bridge. By the way, it's a beautiful day. Yeah, it's cold, and it's cold. Sunny. Someone's playing with the snow, trying to break it. Okay. The outdoor beauty of. Oh, nice. So we decided to ditch the railway track, which is over there. Yeah. Yes. This is more scenic. This one, you can make a...
Nature's brew?
Yeah, nature's brew. I know. So we're gonna... It's the Han River. The Han River, okay? This is the longest river in Korea. Well, apparently it's not. Everything is not frozen. These are frozen. Yeah, people go here for a walk. Fun. Okay. We might need to run too because it's cold. I don't know how long we can survive here, but the sun is helping a little bit. So we're gonna walk and walk. I really hope at the end of this trail there's a train station. Or else we have to go back, which we don't want to do it. Because it's cold, guys. Cold. Okay? Cold. Okay. So. The more close to the water. Up! Oh my god, isn't it cute? Starfield. He's wearing a jacket. Full on. Bye, Poodle. Oh, it's so cold. Look at my cheeks, my nose, my head. Everything is red. Yeah, so we were by the river park and it got so cold. We decided to walk back to the subway station, and next up we are going to the Gwangjong market. This is the oldest market in Seoul, in Korea, whatever, and they have some popular dishes like the hand-cut noodles. And do you want to know what's the other popular dish from that market? A live octopus. Yeah, so they serve like live octopus garnished with some green onion. Okay, not gonna eat that. Do you want to try that?
No.
Me neither. But I want to try the hand-cut noodle or something like that. And they have this, their pancakes are popular and tteokbokki popular too. I'm gonna try those. Alright, stop eating my hair. Hangnam market. Okay.
Pick up my neighbor now.
Neighbor, yeah. And Google says we have to walk around 3 minutes.
Wait, what's the
Hangjang market. So we are in Gwangjong market, and this place is since 1966, and their most popular dish, the mung bean pancake. How is it? Hot.
I didn't taste the mung bean. I only tasted the potato.
Okay.
It tastes like a...
Tastes like what?
So far without the mung bean, it tastes like a... how do you call it?
The pancake?
No.
Batter?
No. Tastes like hash brown. It's like a hash
Oh. And this is the sauce.
sauce here.
내가 섞어드려요?
Hi guys, we are in Seoul, Korea, and today we want to do something not many tourists do. We are going to
Some more cafe.
and what is that?
A dog.
Yeah, we are going to a dog cafe, and this cafe is special because they have a special breed of dogs called Samoyed. These are like winter dogs from Russia. Huh? They're puppies. Oh, okay. So yeah, so we're gonna go there and we're going to shop because we are in Hongdae. Area is nearby. So we're gonna do some shopping. Then we're gonna go to a couple of other places. We will keep updating with you. Okay, it's kind of cold and hot at the same time. Cold when there's no sunshine and sunny. Well, you got my point. Okay, catch you later. Whoa. So this is the Hongdae University station, She have the Never app going. So Never app is the app that you use around Korea to navigate. It's better than Google apparently. And this cafe is about 14-15 minutes walk from the subway station. So walk in. Yeah, so this is the Hongdae market. People come here for shopping, clothes, shoes, food. You can find everything here. I'm not sure if we are at the main place yet, but yeah, we're just still on the way, and then we find this cute market here. Gloves. Okay, we are looking for lunch. Why are you dancing? Come on, let's go this way. Keep moving. I'm just chasing the sun. I'm chasing the sun actually. BC Pizza. How about this one? Kikinambu. Mulbang Jampong.
7-Eleven.
7-Eleven. Convenient food. Convenience store food.
Convenience store breakfast.
We already had bread. I had coffee at home.
Breakfast.
This is lunchtime.
Lunch. Convenience store lunch.
Lunch.
Even better.
No, they got nothing.
They got more than you. What you got?
We just had one of the best noodle in the salt noodle lab. So good. It's good. If you are Hongdae, do try. Come and try the noodle. So good. So we have arrived in the dog cafe. They're not open yet. And look at them. How many are they?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But they're supposed to have 11.
Where are the rest of them? Chilling?
Just like
Chilling. It's there. Breakfast time.
야 나와 임마 나와봐 나와.
So excited, right? Okay.
야너 뭐하냐?
What do you
준비는 맞아?
Oh, no. Oh, cute. Did you? What? Yeah? That's it? Some more? Hand.
해줘야 돼요. upstairs. I go upstairs.
It's so cute.
아, 자, 볼까요? 나려. 혹시 여기 앉아서 사진 한번 찍어볼게요. 네, 여기 앉으시면 아마 앉으면 발을 치워줄 거예요.
Oh, wow.
이쪽.
앉아.
파란 몸 반대. 왜 이렇게 말하냐? 이 상태에서
Give it.
남자분께서 혹시 바닥에 앉으시기 괜찮으시면 다 같이 가족처럼 말로 하는데 괜찮으시면 제가 찍어드릴게요.
야.
앉아.
야.
나려.
앉아. Hand. 앉아. They're watching me coming to visit them.
거기 있는데. 네.
Did you have a good time? Yeah? 1 hour passed so quickly, yeah? Are you sad that you're leaving? You had a good time, right? And an hour passed by so fast. We got a free gift. We got the doggy card. They're wishing us Merry Christmas. Hey, we had a great time.
Time to go shopping.
God, at the beginning I was like skeptical about not going inside the cafe, but I think I did a good decision by going inside because it was so much fun. Those dolls were like really cute, and then they're like so well behaved. Yeah.
They don't smell.
They don't smell.
They're not smelly.
Yeah.
They even give them like a washroom break.
Yes. So right now we are here in Hangnam station, and we are going to the Cheonggyecheon bridge or stream. So you basically, there's a park, there's a square, a lot of things to see here. There's also like a temple, Cheonggyecheon temple, which is also very touristy. Okay, so we're gonna go there now. Today we are going to the stream, and looks like the city is ready for the Christmas celebration. Okay, let's go. This is the beginning part. The stream is actually long, so you can join from different. You can start from wherever. Yeah, it's quite long actually. It's going. Sitting there. Cool. These are the guards. Isn't this nice? I bet this place would be really nice to sit around and go for the evening walk. Yeah, have a little seat right here somewhere. A little chit chat with your friends. And the buildings are right there. Like this. It's a mix of like nature and, do I see an Eiffel Tower there? An Eiffel Tower. See? It's so cool. Ferris wheel. So we have come to almost to the end of the tunnel, the stream, and now we are going back to our hotel, and then we're gonna go out again later in the night. Okay, this was a good day.